touch mine.
The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, East Central San Bernardino County in Southern California, South Central Clark County in Southern Nevada, until 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, or 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, at 1:22 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, or 2:22 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to a half an inch of rain has already fallen in some areas, and an additional 2 inches is expected. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bullhead City, Laughlin, Needles, Oatman, Arizona Village, Mesquite Creek, Mojave Valley, Big Bend Recreation Area, Mojave Ranch Estates and Willow Valley. This includes Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 137 and 149. Turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, or 4 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties: in California, San Bernardino; in Nevada, Clark; and in Arizona, Mojave.
Touch mine.